Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about magnetic lashes. I have seen these all over the place. I was so curious about them, so I wanted to try them out for you guys. So if you're interested in knowing my full thoughts and kind of how I've figured out how to make them work, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. The ones that I ended up picking up are the Ardell. These are the double 110, and they don't have a name, I don't think, but this is what the packaging looks like. Anyway, I was so curious about them, and so I tried them out. And first up, what I did was I tried, each lash has 4 little magnets on it for the upper and then 4 on the bottom. And you basically just clip them together and the magnets stick to each other and you have lashes on. So I tried applying them, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say that I would consider myself pretty advanced in like most beauty things, and I could not get them on for the life of me. I tried for over a half hour trying to get one lash on and it was not working. So what I ended up doing was I cut the lashes just with like tiny little scissors, and I cut them so that there's 1 magnet on the outside, 2 in the middle, and then 1 on the outside. So I cut it into 3 different pieces. 1 piece with 2 magnets and 2 pieces with 1 magnet. So I did that on both sets of the lashes. I just clipped them together so that the magnets for each eye, both sets of lashes, the upper and the lower, were stuck together, so they were cut in the exact same place. So then I would just apply it 1 piece at a time, and that was so much easier. So I will show you guys how I do that, and I'm just gonna put one eye on first, and then I will show you guys how I put the other eye on. To apply, I just use my fingers, but if you do have longer nails, I have pretty short nails. If you have longer nails, you might want to grab a pair of tweezers to help you out. So first I like to start on the outside, and I have my lashes cut into 3 different sections. So I'm just gonna grab the outer section, and these are already magnetized together. So I'm just gonna separate them. This one was the top one and this is the bottom. So I'm going to place the top one on the outside of my lashes, and once you have mascara on, they'll kind of just stay there. And then I just grab the very outer part of the lashes so that the magnetic part is loose. And I just hold with 1 finger the part that's already on there, and then with the other finger, I place the magnet, and you can feel it kind of click into place. So that is the first one, and then I'll go in with the middle ones, which these are the ones that have 2 little magnetic strip things on them. So the lashes that I got had 4 little magnets on each strip, so the middle one has 2 of them. So again, I'm just going to take the top one and place it and then I don't do the inner corner just because it's too much in that little space. So this is the final look of having them on. Overall, I think that if you are really set on wearing falsies, then this is definitely a route that I think is good to go in, just because you'll get more uses out of your lashes and you still get the effect. They're pretty easy to put on once you get the hang of it. I will say that I think it is a learning curve to get used to how to wear them. I personally had to cut them into 3 sections just because to apply the full lash on your eye was just so hard for me, and I think that a lot of people would have a hard time with it. So I think that doing it this way, there's still a learning curve, but it's definitely doable. I personally won't be wearing these because I just don't really wear falsies in general. I really love New Lash, which is an eyelash serum that I use that helps my lashes get really long, and I just build them up with mascara. That's my personal preference, but if you are somebody that really loves falsies, then this might be a great option for you. Wearing falsies just feels a little bit heavy on my eyes, and it's just not something I'm used to because I don't wear them a lot. But if you do wear them a lot, you might really love these. So yeah, I think that if you're somebody that wears false lashes already, you should definitely give these a try. They are a little bit more expensive, but you don't have to use glue, so you have one less thing to buy, and you won't be ruining them because you won't be using any product on them. You can just wear them over and over and over again. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.